Whether you're driving a brand new vehicle or your ride's new car smell wore off long ago, adding an accessory can go a long way towards making your car feel fresh and personalized. There are many interior gadgets that will make your vehicle a little more fun to be in. Some add modern functionality to an older car, while others are useful in vehicles of any age. What they all have in common is that they're less than $100. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Work or eat in your car comfortably with ZoneTech steering wheel desk. This ZoneTech portable car tray is easy to mount. Simply hook the tray to your steering wheel and you've got an instant ergonomic desk. This product can place on the steering wheel or back of the car seat in seconds without hassle. The ZoneTech multifunctional portable car laptop and food steering wheel tray is perfect for running some errands in the car, to long-distance road trips, and everything in between. The car tray is the ultimate thoughtful gift for constant travelers, truckers, carpoolers, and the likes. This ZoneTech product is ideal for car travel, business office, and leisure use, but also very suitable to travel on their own car, especially families with children. It also stores conveniently. The slim design and lightweight construction of the ZoneTech portable car tray can fit into the back of the car seat when not in use. Keep your interior looking brand new with Karen's Duster. AutoSpa is changing the way cleaning products are used by understanding the need for innovation, design, functionality, and quality in every product they make. Their focus has been and will always continue to be on creating breakthrough ideas to build value for every customer. These core ideas have laid the foundation for their continued growth and their constantly evolving list of innovations. AutoSpa's soft tools bend and wash wheel tool allow you to reach the inside of wheels with a two-sided design for super suds washing and deep clean scrubbing. Removes brake dust and road grime while keeping your wheels brighter longer. Keep your phone in place with iAuti's car mount. The iAuti Easy One Touch 4 dashboard and windshield mount is a universal smartphone solution that's engineered to safely enhance your driving experience. The one-of-a-kind Easy One Touch mechanism allows you to easily mount and remove your smartphone with one simple hand motion. Utilize the range, strength, and stability of the telescopic arm to find the perfect position for your smartphone. Works with all modern phones, even the ones that are a bit too big for your face. Improve your visibility in the rain with the bottle of Rain X. It's like having a force field against rain for ultimate comfort and safety while driving. Also removes frost, ice, and even bugs really easily. Rain X Shower Door Water Repellent uses advanced technology that causes water to bead and slide off on glass surfaces. Regular use helps prevent harder water stains, soap scum, and grime build up on your glass shower door, keeping it looking clean for weeks. Helps to prevent soap scum, hard water deposit, and grime from building up and sticking onto shower doors. Clean your car fast with a bottle of Optimum's No Rinse Wash and Shine. Because there's no need to rinse and hence less water to use, you save on your water bill and save the environment from nasty soap chemicals. This unique product contains substantive polymers that bond to the paint and protect it from abrasion during the wash. These polymers offer greater protection and lubrication than conventional car washes and leave a slick and glossy finish behind afterward. The wastewater in the bucket can be used to water the lawn or disposed off into a sink where it will be treated. Other additional benefits of No Rinse Wash and Shine are faster washes, the ability to wash anywhere at any time, including washing inside the garage during winter, no messy runoffs, and a better looking finish. Protect your neck with TravelMate's memory foam neck pillow. Those super irritating traffic jams just got a little bit easier. The pillow even retains heat to relax the muscles in your neck. Driving for an extended period of time can create additional strain on the neck, spine, muscles, and tendons, which can cause pain and discomfort. The TravelMate car neck pillow is designed to give you the support you lack with the factory-installed headrest. It provides additional support for your neck and head and helps improve posture while driving, reducing muscle tension and stress. Made from high-quality memory foam, it molds to your neck and head perfectly to give you just the right amount of cushion for extra comfort, which makes daily commute or long-distance driving far more enjoyable. The built-in elastic strap allows you to adjust the position on the car's original headrest for a custom fit. The compact design makes it easy to carry and store if you ever want to stop at a rest area along the freeway and take a nap to relax during a long car trip. You would know that the factory-installed headrest isn't really ideal for that application. In fact, it's quite uncomfortable. The solution? Just attach the pillow onto the default headrest and adjust your seat to a reclined position. You will be surprised how much more comfortable you can be. Once you've experienced the added support and comfort of our car neck pad, you will never take a long car trip without it. In your next long trip, have a few in your car prepared for other family members, and they'll thank you for your kind considerations. The pillow can also be used for extra support for your neck and head when you sit on a recliner at home. Be ready for sticky situations with AAA's 42-piece emergency road assistance kit. All of the components within the AAA line of auto emergency safety kits and accessories must meet minimum standards set forth by the AAA engineering department, and before going to market, undergo strict testing requirements to ensure the safety of the product, as well as the ability to live up to its promises. The AAA branded premium road kit contains 42 components to help keep you prepared for those unforeseeable events, ranging from finding your car with a dead battery or needing a flashlight to look in those dark places under the seats to try and find your kid's favorite dinosaur toy. Keep your butt comfortable with the WonderGel Extreme Seat Cushion. The ultra-soft durable gel molds to your behind, making your driver's seat a cloud of amazing comfort. Nothing is more superior in cushioning than WonderGel. WonderGel, also known as IntelliGel, is the most advanced cushioning material available today. Made from an ultra-modern copolymer, WonderGel provides comfortable support while eliminating pressure points. This lets you sit hours longer in comfort. Cushions made with traditional cushioning material or memory foam create pushback, so that if you need to sit for long periods or on hard surfaces, you may experience discomfort. Long-lasting and durable WonderGel cushioning use the ingenious patented principle of column buckling. As pressure increases, WonderGel columns buckle, distributing the weight to neighboring columns. This virtually eliminates uncomfortable pressure points. WonderGel provides immediate continuous cushioning. No need to wait for the foam to heat up or conform to your body every time you change position. It does also not heat sensitive, which means it maintains its feel and does not soften or lose its support as it gets warm from body heat. The result? A truly revolutionary advance in cushioning technology that provides the ultimate cushioning experience. Save your life with Reskmay's Seat Belt Cutter Window Breaker Tool. Made in the USA, this 2-in-1 safety and survival tool allows you to cut a jammed seatbelt and break a side window in your car. Originally developed for first responders, firefighters, EMTs, law enforcement agencies, Reskmay has become an essential safety solution for all safety-conscious drivers. Reskmay is a revolutionary handheld rescue tool, amazingly powerful despite its mini size. A fierce but absolutely safe spring-loaded stainless steel spike allows the vehicle occupant to easily break side windows, and a carefully concealed stainless steel razor blade slices through a jammed seatbelt to prevent vehicular entrapment. Stick your stuff on your dashboard with Heininger's Dash Grip Gel Pads. Dashboards are hard, slick surfaces, and it doesn't take much for everything you set there to start sliding around, eventually onto the floor or at least out of sight. But with Heininger's Commute-Made Dash Grip, simply lay it on your dashboard and you have a non-adhesive sticky surface that you can set all your loose items on and know they'll be there when you get to your destination. The Dash Grip is great for PS mats, MP3 players, credit cards, coins, sunglasses, and cell phones. Dash Grip allows easy access to those normally loose items in your car. No adhesive is required. The 6-inch into 7-inch pad is easily movable from one car to another car. Dash Grip naturally forms your car or truck dashboard curves. Sloping dashboards can cause items to shift while traveling.